Today's workshop is our first event after the conception of the trust and its registration. This is our effort to take forward the legacy of bravery, hard work, determination, and most of all, the love for motherland of our brave hero, Major Akshay Girish.
So the entire gamut of his training, his character, his everything came out to the fore, and he left behind a legacy of absolutely being a fearless, focused, and a person who just doesn't move away from his aim. And probably that is what in the aftermath set us thinking as to what do we do with this kind of a legacy. That was the genesis of Major Akshay Girish Memorial Trust.
It is our humble attempt to motivate and assist the students who are keen on a career with the defense and allied services.
Identify those individuals who want to go and strive for the nation. One way or the other, it could be through the armed forces, it could be through engineering services, could be through NGO activities. There are enough out there. Number two is give them that channel so that they can go ahead and achieve that. And of course, we want to make sure that the first and foremost service that we want to support is the defense services.
And that is how we sat down as a family and we said, we have to do something. We have to take this forward. And here we have this trust at the first inaugural workshop. So, welcome to this first inaugural workshop. And we hope to be partners not just today, but hereafter as we continue.
Over the past so many years, what are the challenges which the Navy has thrown at me? It's been taken up by me in such a way and also has made me learn as to so many new vistas of life and also has told me to urge more and to seek more. Interacting with the civil population, though be challenging in different times of stress, deploying at different parts when the Navy really required me the most, going to different places. Being in the Navy, you are rest assured you will travel all across India and all across the world.
To go from an Indian environment to a Indo-US environment in Alaska to an international environment wherein there are about 30 odd countries representatives in addition to the civil hierarchy which is there is an entirely different ball game altogether. You get to see and realize what the conflict is all about. You realize how can it be resolved, and you come to know what all forces are involved, what all infrastructure has been pumped in to lead it to conflict resolution.
What it has given me is immense. It has changed me as a person. It has given me infinite mental courage and physical courage, and whatever I am today is because of those 3 years at the academy. It told me how to shave, how to sit, how to stand, how to walk, and how to conduct, and how to realize that there are no limits to what your body can achieve. What you have perceived are your limitations. If you perceive that you can achieve to the infinity, you can achieve to the infinity.
And it is the best place to be at. The entire country is your workplace. There is no office. You can be deployed anywhere. You can live your dreams. Whatever you dream, you can do. If somebody dreams that I want to do scuba diving, you can do. So that way, it is one of our profession wherein you can achieve anything that you want.
In the end, I can say you can choose for better, best, but you should always aim for your good to be better and your better to be best. And the best is the armed forces.
You have to do well in your courses and in the entire service of yours. I don't mean excel. You should be good to excel. You should aim to excel, but you have to maintain certain standards.
You change lives when you get into the military. You change your own life and you change the life of people around you. You're also there to do something very different, protect the nation. Can you imagine a job where the entire nation trusts you with their security, with their well-being, so that they can continue to do what they wanted to do? Somebody wants to be a film actor, they can be a film actor. Somebody wants to be a doctor, they can be a doctor, just because you have chosen to join the defense forces. They trust you to secure them. I've flown MiGs, Jaguars, like I said, and many other aircraft. Can you imagine flying them at about 1,000 kilometers per hour at 200 feet treetop heights, or going up into the sky to 21 kilometers at twice the speed of sound. Where do you get an opportunity like that?
What have I got? What are my skills? What are my competencies? What am I focused towards? Like all of you all are aspirants to join the defense forces. Has anybody thought about what are the skills and competencies that we really require to be aligned to a particular career? It is very, very important to understand our skills.
There are 15 qualities which we are looking into you. Now, how well they are meshed. Have you seen a rainbow? How many colors? But actually, what is the color of light? White. So, these rainbows are your personality traits. But if they are not mixed up together to give you the white light, you will not be recommended.
People ask, even if the tests are there, it's not they're looking at one particular response. Right? You seem to be knowing about the SSB. They don't look. You could be very, very silly there. But they are seeing big picture. Right? And another thing, they are not looking at perfect individuals. They are not looking, like I look at you, oh no, there is a slight cut there. No. They see big picture. So you have to make your big picture good. One thing is there, they are looking for consistency. And even for that matter, you have to be consistent. आज आपको इंडियन टीम के लिए भी खेलना है तो कंसिस्टेंट होना पड़ेगा.
So, as a young boy of today, to develop your knowledge and your experience, kindly go out, play games, enjoy yourself. This is what I teach everybody. Enjoy life, gentlemen. Everybody tells you study, 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 and here is somebody who's telling you to enjoy life, have good experiences, that'll pay you well in SSB. Okay?
We, that is Girish, Sangeeta, Neha, Shri Pradesh and myself from the Major Akshay Girish Memorial Trust are also on our own learning paths. We know Akshay's work is not over. As we get older, he will forever remain 30 and he'll guide us from the stars to push us to do our best in service of the nation. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.